Yeah, Weezy. I said she's so fat that she wanted to eat the rapper. So I let her eat the rapper. She ate it like a lollipop. 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 Shawty wants a grub. I'll take it in the club. But that didn't do too much. Shawty wants a munch, so I gave her my whole lunch. Shawty wants a munch. A chicken in the club. But that didn't do too much. So Shawty wants a munch, so I gave her my whole lunch. And she got a big stomach unlike mine. I didn't even come up with this part yet. Oh my god. Ugly. But I did come up with this part. And man, I ain't never seen a gut like hers. The way she eat it up made me lost the word. When she ate it up was like slurp, slurp. Then that belly went burp, burp. And that's when she ate it like a lollipop. She ate it like a lollipop. She ate it like a lollipop. She ate it like a lollipop.